Hey there, it's Wake Angel 2001 again. This is just going to be a real quick one. Oh dear. I just realized that that hasn't been capped since last night. Oh dear. Oh well, I'm sure it's fine. Yep, got another box. This one is from Boss Fight Studio the Store. So I actually know what's in here. I was talking with a guy about a thing, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box, because it's kind of exciting and I want to show you. It's funny because after I finished making Joker the Tiefling, I brought up about how it would be pretty difficult to make a D&D toy line because of how unique people's characters look. But the closest thing that kind of exists is Boss Fight Studios' Vitruvian Hacks line. So the fact that everything comes up Boss Fight Studios, check it out. It is a female blank buck from Boss Fight Studios. Yep. Simple packaging. I can just peel this from the bottom and reach in without having to damage anything. Come on, little guy, little girl, lady. There we go. In one side of the packaging is a stand and some replacement parts like hands and alternate heads and stuff. But this is the actual thing. It's basically a blank buck female figure. This is fully intended for being used as a custom base. And this one is blue. Why is it blue? I'll explain in a moment. Let me take a minute to futz around with your articulation. Double jointed knees, really good ankle movement in all four directions, waist joint. She has like a screw right at the base of her spine. Well-defined abs, breasts with actual nipple bumps on them. Like, okay. Let's see, single jointed elbow, but it gets beyond 90 degrees, just about, and with a bicep swivel. Wrists that can rotate and hinge, ball jointed neck. This is an excellent figure. So what's it for? Well, the person who sent this to me, whose name I can't remember, not that it should really matter, because I'd be mentioning their name and I shouldn't be doing that, sent me this so that I could use it to make a crystal figure. From Star Fox. So that's why it's blue. Let me get some visual aids. Okay, so a long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, I used a Luke Skywalker figure to make this custom of Falco, and I did it in the realistic style from the Super Smash Bros. Game. So yeah, I still have them. Isn't he cool looking? And then on Crystal Appreciation Month, that's a thing in the Star Fox fandom, I also use a different Star Wars figure to make a crystal. And she's been on display for a bit, so I really should have dusted her before putting her on camera. So yeah, I made a crystal figure. I also made the crystal in the space bikini, but you know, like the commissioner wants this costume, so this is the one I'm showing off. The thing is, I used the Star Wars figures, and those are 3.75 inch scale. When Jakks Pacific finally made official Star Fox figures for the World of Nintendo line, this is back before it became a full-on only Mario and occasionally Zelda thing, the 3.5 inch, as you can see, it's underscaled. Like, their feet are lined up now, so as if they're standing side by side, and you can see that Fox is, you know, significantly bigger, and not just in the way that guys look taller, is that he just looks like he's a larger person. So that's what these Vitruvian Hacks figures are for. This actually is a 4-inch scaled figure, and you can see that they actually line up in terms of height much better. So I'm hoping that I can actually make use of my 3D printer with this. I was thinking of using my 3D printer to print the crystal head, perhaps from the model of her assist trophy from Super Smash Bros. So I could have a more accurate crystal head, because sculpting Crystal's head is deceptively difficult. The first time I did it, I think I messed up the shape of her muzzle, and the second time I think I got her muzzle better, but then I screwed up her eyes. So, like, it's a bit of a hassle making this head, is what I'm trying to get at. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do with this. This is going to be a crystal figure from Star Fox, and it's going to be in scale with the Jakks Pacific Star Fox figures. So yeah, that's a thing to look forward to down the line. Of course, like, all the figures come in turns, so you're going to see this significantly later. So, oh yeah, like, we can actually use these unboxing videos as a bit of a way to gauge how long it takes to actually get your customs from me from when you send me the toys. Because a lot of people, like, I have to tell them, I have a long queue. Even if you send me the toy, it's gonna take some time, bro. So, yeah, yeah. Just keep in mind, like, it's not gonna happen tomorrow, and it's not gonna happen possibly even next month. It's a while in the future, but it will happen, and it should be glorious. And by then, hopefully, I'll figure out if I can use her 3D model. Alright, so this has been Wake Angel 2001. Thank you all for watching the video, and there should be a proper custom up, hopefully by tomorrow, because this Starline figure is seriously almost done. So I just had to finish painting up a few more details on him, and he'll be ready to show the world. So yeah, Wake Angel 2001 signing off.